Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is January 17th, which means this is my 2022 Wacky Make-A-Do video. Today is National Toss Out Your New Year's Resolutions Day, and that's what I did. I hope you guys will take a minute and go back and look at my New Year's resolution video, which was titled New Year Goals 2022. And you'll see all the things that I had listed for my New Year's. Well, I can tell you I have broke them. Most of them on a daily basis, but the big one only once, and we'll talk about that today. So at the beginning of the year, I ran into Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming, and she came up with this 2022 Wacky Make-A-Do. She sent out a list of the holidays, the funny little holidays that they talk about, National Eat Chocolate with Your Honey Day, things like that. So anyway, today is National Throw Out Your New Year's Resolutions Day. And I thought it fitting that I let you know how I did that. So first off, I hope you'll go back and watch my video so you can see all my different things that I was going to try and improve on. But as you know, this was my big one. And look what showed up. And I've been telling you, as I'm doing all of these yarn openings, I've been telling you, this is stuff I bought before. This is stuff I bought before, so it doesn't count. This isn't stuff I bought before. Well, it started out as a really, really, really good thing. Made me turn bad. So I needed a pouch for my knitting needles. I'm trying to knit. I have ordered some knitting needles, and they don't fit in my crochet pouches. So I ordered this, and then the needles will slide down. Oh, it's got two levels. That's nice. The needles will slide right inside like this. So that's real nice. Because right now, I've just got them loose inside of a bag, and this is going to work a lot better. I didn't realize there was two, so I'll be able to put eight sets of needles in this. That's pretty. And then there's another one. This is what I was really going after when I ordered this. This is a set for circular needles. So you've got several pages where you can put your circular needles down inside of there. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that quilt. And the circular needles, oh, I thought I had some here. They're there. There's a set of circular needles that I got. It came with all kinds of little doodads. And it will just slip right down inside of there. Just like that. So I got a place to hold my circular needles as well as my straight needles. I like to keep these things together. And then it's got a little, so as it gets wider, it can still hold its spot. So that's good. I think that's going to work out really, really well. These were half off or something like that, 60% off one day on Mary Maxim when I was looking for this kind of a holder for my needles. But what happened, and okay, it was an accident. It was an accident. When I went to place my order, I had already had some items in my basket. And I went click to purchase, and I had bought some yarn. Okay, I knew it was in there when I clicked it, and I clicked it anyway. But I only got one little tiny bit of yarn. Just these three. That's it. Only that. That's all I bought. And I am promising to continue to stick with my yarn ban of 2022. And I didn't just get this to have it. I bought it for a specific project. Although now that I have it in my hand, I probably didn't need this many. So have you guys ever seen the peaches and cream yarn, where it is a cotton yarn and it's a kitchen grade cotton yarn, and it looks like this, and it's you make dishcloths and towels and things like that of it. Well, there's another kind called scrubby, and it looks like this. It's got the little scrubbies built in. Well, they came out, Sugar and Cream came out with a combo yarn called, and I don't know what they call it, but it's got both the scrubbies and the cotton together. And it's nice, but it's not, the scrubby's really thin and it breaks really easy when you're working it up. Well, one of my favorite makers has a YouTube channel, and it's called My Precious Yarnery. And I know I've talked to her about her before. I love her. I love her tutorials. They're very, very simple to follow. Her patterns are very simple to follow. In my current list is a sweater pattern. So this tutorial she came up with is called a Loofa, Loofah, Loofa Scrubby Tutorial. And the Loofa Scrubby Tutorial, way simple. I was really, really surprised at how simple it was to come up with this, because I have seen people make these loofahs before, and they just look a little, they look complicated. But when you go to hers, and I will put a link down in there before or below, but when you go and see hers, I'm trying to find the picture of the actual loofah, but my thing isn't cooperating. There, here's one. There. That's what her loofah looks like. And it's big and it's fluffy, and it was so simple. The pattern is so simple. I cannot believe how simple it was. She's a great teacher. So anyway, she talks about using this particular yarn. Well, there was 3 in my cart, because I'm thinking maybe get 1 out of each. Well, this thing is big. I'm used to the little tiny Sugar and Cream ones. This thing is big. I'll probably get 2 or 3 out of here. And so I got 3 of them. So everybody's getting a loofah. Pretty excited. It's called Scrub Off. Bernat Handicrafter Scrub Off. This is medium 4 weight. Wash and dry, don't iron. And made in China, 100% cotton. That's funny, it's 100% cotton, but it's got these little scrubby things. It must just be the way they work it up. Yeah. This is 8 ounces, 353 yards. I'm gonna be making a bunch of scrubbies, but it's pretty. It's called Raindrops. I liked that color. Lots of sort of greens and gray. So we'll see. We'll see how it works up, and we'll see how the scrubbies. Yeah, I really like the scrubby part on this is much more substantial than it is on the other brand, which I have worked with quite a bit. So I guess if I get tired of making scrubbies, everybody gets new washcloths too. So that is my National Throw Out Your New Year's Resolution Day. I bought yarn. But I promise I'm going right back to my band. Bye!